Hello hamsters, and I tried to start this but I had a little bit of glitchy problem. So first thing I'm going to say is this is about the new update. I'm not going to say any more, but oh yeah, I've got a new skin. If you want to check out my skin channel, my name is the usual, Hamster192, all that cool stuff. Got a cat, like in real life, which is awesome. Had her for about 3 or 4 weeks. She's the most adorable catty ever. Okay, so when you go into beauty blocks, which is decorations, you'll notice that it's changed a little. And also the red flower has changed its design a little. It's still a red flower, but it's slightly changed. And as you can probably see, there are sunflowers. And if you chop down the top one, the bottom one will be automatically destroyed. If you chop down the bottom one, the top one will be automatically destroyed. There it is. I was looking at this. Double high tall grass. This is the same as the sunflower. Top one, bottom one. I can't quite remember all of them, and since I'm on pirate language, which I'll show you how to do in a minute, this has been around for a few updates. I've only just discovered it. So, this is Beauty O' the Swamps, ye pink allium shrub, ye blue flower, doesn't look very blue to me, bloody tulip, orange tulip, snowy tulip, pretty tulip, pretty tulip, wow. Daisy, and it's called the red flower, but it's meant to be a poppy. And now I'm going to clear my inventory of amazing treasures and get these shrubs, this, and some bone meal. It's not meant to be shrubs, it's meant... Whoa, what just happened? That one. Yeah, there we go. Turn to the fight. There we go. So, first of all, I'm going to bone meal this one. Just want to climb it. And then I'm going to try do this one. I had a bit of a bug earlier. I don't know what was happening. It just wouldn't work. Okay, that's not going to work. But I'm going to recreate it because this is also a bit of a glitch. I don't know if it's been fixed in the new update. It looks a bit like this, except the top's a little flatter. And you know, there's a few little differences, such as the trees aren't wonky. It looks a bit more like that, except, you know, there's a little bit on the top. But basic idea is it's just like a thick tree. Okay, there's the new blocks. So there's the new, there's new woods, there's new timber logs. Just to let you know, I'm not American, I just for some reason do a very good American accent. There's the, you know, there's all that stuff. Oh, and at the bottom, there is cacti. There is all this cool stuff. It's just glass. It's dyed glass. I really like this one. So I'm just going to place them down so you can have a look at them. And have a look at them in different lighting because that really does affect things sometimes. So if I go time set 15800. So now it's night time. Put that there. You kind of see that's the kind of colour that makes you kind of feel good inside. That's just slightly a darker colour, so maybe if you're making a hut. This is still just as cold, and that's just disgustingly dirty. And now I'll set the time today. Whereas, alright, so there's a new potion. Water breathing potion. Oh, I can't remember what it's called. This will be on here. Mermaid breath. So what I'm going to do is get a mermaid's, throw in mermaid's breath for the last 6 minutes. I'm going to get an adorable little ocelot. Wait, what's it called? Whirlpool Cato Jungles. That's actually just a really weird name. I'm going to get a fence. A picket. And I'm going to get a lead. There's new fish, which I'll show you about in a minute. What's it called? It's a leash, isn't it? Leash. There it is. Roper pulling. Oh, because it's got different. Right. So I'll go to this little place here. Go down a certain amount. I'll place that there. So our adorable little test subject by here, which I'm obviously going to drown in a minute. But then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some throw-in mermaid's breath, and as you can see, they are not drowning. And by this time, normally, they would be drowning. So if I go on to game mode S, look, I've got gill power. Gill power. It's gill grower. Right. But look, I'm not losing anything. So I'm just going to grab myself some milk. Milk. Cow's juice. Wow, that doesn't sound quite right. Okay. I'm going to nick myself a rod of fishing. That sounds so weird. And okay, it should be on here. Magic book. Booty. I think it's these two. And I'm going to nick an anvil as well. Slab of fixing. That's just such a cool name. Right, so if I now go fishing, I need to find somewhere good to go fishing. Oh, sorry, I'm just going to turn the volume down. I normally try not to because I want you to hear all the cool music, but that was just getting annoying. Right, you can kind of see there's a little splash on each side. There's just kind of splashes kind of getting closer. So really carefully look, there's just one, it's just everywhere. Absolutely